every chess player has a story of victory or a story of disaster. Today, you'll witness one of the most legendary traps in chess history, the Rubinstein Queen Trap, a trap so deadly that even strong players have fallen into it. A trap that ends the game in just 10 moves. Let the battle begin. White moves first. Pawn to e4, bold, aggressive, claiming the center. Black answers quietly. Pawn to e6, the famous French defense. Patient setup, preparing a counterstrike. White expands further. Pawn to d4, building a powerful wall in the middle of the board. Black strikes back instantly. Pawn to d5, challenging White's center head-on. The tension begins to rise. White develops the knight to c3, defending the pawn, applying pressure. Black captures on e4, entering the Rubinstein variation, a sharp and ancient line. White recaptures with the knight. Knight to e4, now standing tall in the heart of the board. The position is balanced. The battle is calm. But not for long. Suddenly, Black makes a bold decision. The queen comes out early, queen to d5, attacking the white knight. A confident move, an aggressive move, but also a dangerous one. Because in chess, bringing the queen out too early is like sending your king's most powerful warrior into enemy territory alone. White stays calm. Bishop to d3, quietly defending the knight, eyeing the kingside, preparing something sinister. Black continues developing. Knight to c6, attacking the pawn on d4. Everything looks normal, everything looks safe. But beneath the surface, the trap is being set. White plays knight to f3, calmly defending the d4 pawn, preparing to castle. But this move is bait. White is whispering to Black, take the pawn if you dare. And Black falls for it. Knight takes pawn on d4. Black smiles. A free pawn, a small victory, but Black has just stepped into the jaws of the trap. White recaptures, knight takes knight on d4. Now the white knight stands proudly in the middle of the board. Black hesitates, then strikes. Queen takes knight on d4. Black has won a piece, or so it seems, because now the trap springs. The trap springs, explosive climax, bishop to b5, check. White bishop leaps across the board, attacking the black king. But this is no ordinary check, this is a discovered attack. Behind the bishop, the white queen sits silently on d1, staring directly at the black queen on d4. Black panics. There's only one move, only one defense. Pawn to c6, blocking the check, but white is not finished. Bishop takes pawn on c6, check again. A brilliant sacrifice. The white bishop throws itself into the fire. Black has no choice. Pawn takes bishop. The d-file is now wide open. The black queen stands alone, undefended, exposed, and then queen takes queen on d4, the black queen falls. The most powerful piece on the board gone. Silence on the battlefield. Black stares at the board in disbelief. For the price of a single bishop, white has captured the queen. The game is over. This is the Rubinstein Trap, a masterpiece of deception, patience, and timing. Trap that has destroyed thousands of players for over 100 years. So remember, my friend, never bring your queen out too early. Never trust a free pawn, and never ever underestimate a quiet move. Because in chess, the deadliest traps are the ones you never see coming. If you enjoyed this legendary trap, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. I survived the Rubinstein Trap. Crown Chess, see you in the next battle.